Good morning, student. Once again, we are here in the audio session, online session started by School of Scholar Malkapur. Here we are discussing the first chapter of Standard 8, that is rational numbers. In the rational number, student, we have discussed till now many contents. Now, today we are going to discuss about finding rational numbers between two rational numbers. So now, student, here we have some examples. Consider about first these two whole numbers 5 and 9. You can simply observe that 6, 7, 8, these three whole numbers are lying in between 5 and 9. Now student, consider these two integer -4 and 2. You can simply observe that -3, -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. These integers are lying in between -4 and 2. So now student, these are the examples of whole number and integer. What about the rational numbers? So student, finding rational number in between two rational number, there are two methods. First method, suppose if a and b are the two integer, are the two rational numbers, then student, a rational number which is exactly in between given these two is a plus b divided by 2. Means we have to do the summation of these two rational number and divide it by 2. The answer will give us a rational number which is lying exactly in between these two rational number. Here we have an example. We will discuss the example -3 by 5 and 4 by 7. So student, we will first find out a plus b divided by 2. So now that is -3 by 5 plus 4 by 7 divided by 2. So now what it will give us? So first at the numerator place we will do the addition of these two rational number. So that is product of extreme -3 multiplied by 7, because LCM of these 5 and 7 is 35. Then at the denominator 5 multiplied by 7, because these two are the co-prime number, that's why the LCM is 35. So now student, what we will receive next step? 7 3s are 21 minus 21 plus 5 4s are 20 upon 35 divided by 2. 2 means student 2 upon 1. We will convert it into rational number so that we can easily do. Now student, what we will receive? Here unlike integer, negative positive, operation subtraction, bigger number sign. So -1 upon 35 divided by 2 upon 1. So student, what we will receive? Division of two rational number. We had discussed about it. Take first rational number as it is, that is -1 by 35. Division becomes multiplication and 2 by 1's reciprocal, that is 1 by 2. So student, what we will receive? -1 by 70. This is a rational number which is exactly lying in between these two rational number. So student, it is a first method. By it we can find out a rational number which is exactly in between given two a rational number. And one more thing student, how many rational numbers we can find out in between two? So student, there are infinitely many rational numbers are existing in between given to any rational number. Only the methods are separate. When you have asked to find out any one rational number, by this process you can find out. But if you have asked the question like find out 10 rational numbers in between given two rational number. Now student, we will discuss second method. By this method, same one time we are going to find out the rational numbers between two rational number. We will have the same example, that is -3 by 4 and 4 by 7. So now student, here in this method we have to make the denominators same. Convert the denominators into same. It means find out the equivalent of these given two rational numbers. So student, as we know that LCM of 4 and 7 is 35. So now we will convert the denominator into same. So find the equivalent of this -3 by 4 minus 3 and 4 multiply by sorry, it is minus 3 by 5 it was. I have taken it. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. So now student, here 5 7s are 35 and 7 3s are 21 and 4 by 7, 4 upon 7 multiply by 5. So now student, here 4 5s are 20 and 7 5s are 35. Okay, so now student, here minus 21 upon 35 and we will keep 20 upon 35 here. Now the rational numbers in between these two rational number, we can say minus 20 upon 35, minus 19 upon 35, minus 18 upon 35, minus 17 upon 35, up to like this we can find out up to positive 19 upon 35. That will go. Many rational numbers are lying in between it. By this process student, by these two method, you can find out many rational numbers in between given two rational number. This is a process. Student, we will once again recall what we have learned today. We were discussing finding rational numbers between two rational number. So two methods are there. By first method, do the addition of both the rational number and divide it by 2. We will receive exactly a rational number which is lying in between these two rational number. Method second, by this second method student, you can find out infinitely many rational numbers. We just have to make the denominator same. So student, here these two methods are there, finding rational numbers. So now student, you please go through with it, and now here I am sharing you with a page consisting the homework. Please complete that homework. Thank you student and have a good day.